Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for fire sign Leo. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. This is July monthly reading. So let's see Leo, your recent past. So let's see Leo, your recent past. Queen of Wands, the Emperor and Knight of Wands. So definitely there is a lot of passion between both of you, and I think one person in this connection stand by their power. Queen of Wands, the Emperor. I think your person want to come towards you in past already came into your life. For some your person want to come towards you because Knight of Wands is here. So let's see what is going on your connection right now, Leo. Six of Cups. Your person could be Sagittarius, Leo, Aries, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Ace of Swords. New beginning, communication. Okay. Six of Pentacles. As in past, there is no equal give and take between both of you. One person give and invest a lot in this connection than the other person. And Ace of Swords. Your person want new beginning with you. Communication is coming. And Six of Cups. Your person feels strong soulmate connection towards you, or you could be feel strong soulmate connection towards them. So I want clarification cards here for Six of Cups. The Rebel. Means Emperor. And moment to moment, Two of Pentacles. Adventure. Page of Pentacles. Yes, they want to offer Page of Pentacles to you, and they are juggling between two things. It's between you and their career, whatever, but they want to this time offer long-term commitment to you and stable offer to you. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Definitely they want a new beginning with you. This time they want to offer equal give and take to you. So the near future actions towards you, beyond illusion, judgment, experience, Three of Wands, long distance relationship, waiting. Laziness means Nine of Cups. Yes, they want this connection, but they are not making any move. Laziness means Nine of Cups. They are wishing to come towards you and offer new beginning. Experience, Three of Wands, but they are thinking a lot. I think one person turning back to this situation, waiting. One person give up on this connection completely. And beyond illusion, judgment. Definitely there is a chance for reconciliation. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe for final message, Leo. They want a new beginning with you, but it will take time. Friendliness, Two of Cups, mutual love. Clinging to the past. Yes, one person going with the flow. Ace of Cups. Clinging to the past means Five of Cups. The last card is We Are the World, Ten of Pentacles. Yes, your person definitely want to offer stability to this connection in Ace of Cups. For some there is new love. Friendliness, Two of Cups. Definitely your person want to offer this mutual love to you. And clinging to the past, don't cling to the past, Five of Cups. Definitely your person feeling sad for the missed opportunity in the past. So he want to come towards you, he want to communicate you, and he want to offer long-term commitment to you this time. So this will take time because there is no action cards in the action they are willing to do. So when they are taking action, it depends upon situation. So this is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.